check the correctness of the equation nu is equal to 1 by 2L into root of T by M. Here nu stands for frequency. So that is T raised to minus 1. L stands for length. So it is L. T stands for tension. Tension will take the same dimension of force. So ml T raised to minus 2. And M stands for mass per unit length. So it is M by L, so which is equal to ml raised to minus 1. Now taking the left hand side of the equation, LHS is equal to nu is having the dimension T raised to minus 1. Taking the RHS of the equation, 1 by 2L to root of T by M. Here 1 by 2 is not having dimension, so it is 1 by L to root of T is ml T raised to minus 2 divided by ml raised to minus 1. So here this and this will get cancelled. So it is 1 by L into root of this, taking the denominator to the numerator, it is L square T raised to minus 2. So this can be written as 1 by L, taking outside of the root, here it is L T raised to minus 1. So this L and this L will get cancelled. So you are getting T raised to minus 1. Now you can see the left hand side of the equation is equal to that of the right hand side of the equation, which is equal to T raised to minus 1. Therefore we can say the equation is dimensionally correct.